create a way to help other parents rethink the way they run their households by surprising them with a home makeover. And you create a show on Roku called Honest Reservations. Not me. Someone made that.
You said reservations.
You're going to make a reservation with your sofa to watch a new show called Honest Renovations.
Let's get started. This is Honest Renovation Season 2.
We want exciting. We want sunshine.
I'm Jessica.
Sashay. Shantae.
I'm Lizzy. We've been friends for years, and we've really bonded over our love of design.
Boom. We're both parents, and one thing that we know for sure is that raising a family is hard enough as it is.
There is definitely not an adult space.
Your home shouldn't make it harder.
As your family grows, your needs change.
Absolutely. By the way, I didn't mean to correct you. I didn't mean to correct you.
I'm happy you corrected me, but this also feels like you should be in Season 3 of this.
Please welcome founder and editor-in-chief of the Cool Mom Co. and co-host of Honest Renovations, Lizzy Mathis. Great to have you here, Lizzy. Lizzy, oh my God, we're gonna go home.
This morning, you guys are gonna mess me up. Oh my goodness.
Jessica, it's our fault.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my gosh, congratulations on
Thank
Season 2.
you. I will take this, yes.
Oh my gosh, tell everyone about this show that you and Jessica Alba, your
So
bestie.
Honest Renovation is it's in Season 2. This is our second season. If you watch the first season, it's on Roku. It is just fun. It is me and my best friend, Jessica Alba. We decided to do this show because we love everything design. From traveling to during the pandemic, we did a lot of designs. We redid her family's house. It took 2 years. It was wild. It was crazy. But we really loved it. And so we thought, hey, how do we bring this to TV? How do we do something where we can kind of like give back? I had an idea to, you know, bring families in and really make it the heart of the show. And we ran with it, and Roku was the best home. So we get to go in and we get to change the lives of families and make it our mark on their families and kind of make transitions or whatever that they're going through. We get to do the whole house, not the whole house, maybe a few rooms in the house. And it's really been a really lovely like experience. It's amazing, and it's fun to watch.
Yeah, I bet. I like this.
And it's not just about the renovation though, because you're taking a look at the family as a whole. There's some of the pain points, kind of right, and it's really renovating some of the way parenting styles are happening at the same time.
I think there's transitions that every family goes through. When you are, you know, a parent of a baby or a toddler, it's going to be very different than when you have a house full of college-age kids that are coming back and forth from college during the holidays or during the summer, right? And so your house has to adjust to what you're going through as a parent. And so we come in and we tackle whatever those issues are. And sometimes it is massive things in the house because you've accumulated so much because you have kids and you don't have any organization and walls need to be knocked down. Sometimes it's just creating spaces that can be flex spaces because you have the college-age kids. This season we were also able to like bring in different styles of families. So we have single mom, we have multi-generational families with the grandparents in the household, we have same-sex couples. It's just we were able to show what different families also look like, and that just adds diversity and people can relate to that.
Well, it's also reflective of what the United States is, right? The nuclear family looks so different.
Exactly.
I have to say, renovating a house or even just trying to organize a house, are you of the motto of this is democratic, we're gonna have consensus?
I mean,
do you and Jessica sort of go at it? Do the families
go
at it?
The families are not involved as much as you think they are. We, in the very beginning, we meet them, we ask them what are their favorite colors, what kind of vibe do they like, what are their styles, and we take it in consideration, and then we do our own thing for the most part.
I like that.
You know, because we kind of want to bring in our knowledge of what we think that would be best for their house, right? What we think can help solve their issues or their problems. But do we always agree?
No.
No, we don't.
What's the biggest common issue you've seen that many families go through?
You know, it changes for every family. It really does, because I think as we all know as parents, stages and ages, the issues change, right? I think that with babies, it's usually how can I accommodate the baby in every space without making it look like you live in a nursery? Your whole house is a nursery, right? Whereas the difference of a multi-generational family is how can everybody have their own space? Because grandma deserves her great, beautiful space and alone time just as much as the kids need space to function. So it's like creating function that's beautiful, aesthetically pleasing, storage, all these different things within the house. So it changes depending on the age of the kids.
Makes sense.
Well, if you need a subject.
I heard.
Single dad.
Yes.
All right.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you very
This is
much.
awesome.
But thank you also for highlighting so many different facets, because that was the reason, you know, when I did this, I said, you know, I hope everybody understands and redefines what family is.
That's right.
Because it's all, like you said,
right.
it's all changing.
It's absolutely right.
Yeah.
That's right. It looks so different for everybody, and I think that's the beautiful part about this show, is that we're able to tap into what all families look like, and that's the diversity. When we thought to do this show, we wanted to do a show that was diverse, not just culturally, but also the way families were made, socioeconomic, the different houses, so we're not always looking at a cookie cutter house and always doing kitchens or always doing living rooms. We wanted to show all the different facets of what this would look like.
But I do need a kitchen.
Yeah. The kitchen is the heart of the home.
We're going to take this offline.
I'm telling you.
I'll help you produce season 3 if you need, because he's a lot.
There you go.
He requires white towels, green
gosh,
roses, and all the rest. Lizzy Mathis, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Congratulations
Thank
on all
you.
the things. Be sure to check out Honest Renovation. The brand new season will launch on the Roku channel on August 23rd.